Loop Head is a headland on the north side of the mouth of the River Shannon in County Clare in the west of Ireland. Loop Head is marked by a prominent lighthouse. The opposite headland on the south side of the Shannon is Carey Head. Bridges of Ross, a stunning natural sea arch, is one of the highlights of the Loop Head Peninsula. Despite there only being one of the original 3 bridges left, this is still a spectacular natural landmark. The name of this natural feature is slightly misleading. Originally, there were 3 natural sea arches, 2 of which have since fallen into the water after many years of erosion. There's only 1 bridge remaining, but the spot is still referred to in plural as the Bridges of Ross. Located in the beautiful Burren region, the Cliffs of Moher stretch for an impressive 13 kilometers and stand proudly above the Atlantic at 702 feet in height. The cliffs consist mainly of beds of Nemourian shale and sandstone, 24, with the oldest rocks being found at the bottom of the cliffs. During the time of their formation between 313 and 326 million years ago, a river dumped sand, silt and clay into an ancient marine basin. Over millions of years, the sediments collecting at the mouth of this ancient delta were compacted and lithified into the sedimentary strata preserved in the now exposed cliffs. The area is considered a geologic laboratory that preserves a record of deltaic deposition in deep water. There are various ways to watch the cliffs, and one of them is you can climb aboard a ferry at Doolin Pier and sail below the cliffs. Out of all the ways, this is said to be the most unique, by far. But we did not took the ferry tour this time. The weather in here is pretty wild most of the time during the year, with winds strong enough to blow one away. But we are lucky to have come here in summer.